This dude, he's the awesome dude I made. He's very awesome. He's holding a rifle. So this rifle, his rifle, it looks like this. So you see, it kind of has a snipe on it. And see, there's where it holds. There's where the Lego dude holds it.
What are you